Hey everyone, welcome back to English Talk Time, where learning English is easy, motivation, and we're learning English full of real life lessons. I'm Ellie, who loves helping you grow in both English and life, and your friend on this journey.
Hey, I'm Mike. I'm doing great. Thanks for tuning in again. I'm so happy to are discussing real English, real talk, real conversation, no boring here. And we always say this show is about more than just English. And ready for today's topic? It's one of those subjects I think everyone needs to hear, especially if you've been feeling a little drained lately.
That's true, because today's topic is called It's Time to Focus and Value Yourself. And honestly, Mike, I think this is one of the most important life lessons we can ever learn.
Absolutely. Ellie, so many people wake up every morning feeling tired, not because they worked too hard, but because they've been giving their energy to the wrong things. They spend time worrying about what other people think, chasing approval, or getting lost in distractions that don't even help them grow.
Exactly. And I think everyone listening right now can relate to that. We often think we're just tired, but really, we're emotionally exhausted. Our energy leaks through arguments, overthinking, social media, or trying to please everyone. That's why it's so important to protect your energy.
You're right. Protecting your energy doesn't mean you isolate yourself. It means you become aware of where your attention goes. Because where your focus goes, your energy flows. If you're always focused on negativity or comparison, that's what grows in your life.
That's such a powerful truth. And it reminds me of how energy works like money. You wouldn't just hand your money to anyone, right? So why do we give our energy so freely to things that don't serve us? Your time and focus are your most valuable currencies.
Exactly. And it's easy to lose that energy without even realizing it. Like, have you ever noticed how, after scrolling through social media for an hour, you suddenly feel more tired and less motivated?
Oh, yes. Haha, totally. You start comparing your life with others, and before you know it, you've lost your peace. That's what we call an energy drain. So, protecting your energy is about setting boundaries. It means saying no to things that take away your peace and yes to the things that strengthen your spirit.
I love that. Ellie, I think a lot of people confuse protecting their energy with being selfish. But actually, it's the opposite. When you protect your energy, you're able to give your best self to others. You can't pour from an empty cup.
That's such a good expression to learn. You can't pour from an empty cup. It means you can't help others if you're running on empty yourself. You have to fill your own cup first with peace, rest, and positive focus so you can share your best energy with the world.
Well said, Ellie. And I think one big part of protecting your energy is understanding who deserves access to it. Not everyone deserves your time, your attention, or your emotional investment. Some people are only around when they need something from you, not because they care about your growth.
That's true, Mike. Sometimes the people who drain our energy are the ones we love the most. But protecting your energy doesn't mean you stop loving them. It just means you love yourself enough to set limits. You don't have to attend every argument or respond to every negative comment.
Exactly. You can stay kind and still have boundaries. You can care and still say no. That's emotional maturity. And honestly, Ellie, this is something we should all practice because peace isn't something you find, it's something you create.
I love that line. Peace isn't something you find, it's something you create. So let's talk about how to do that. For me, one of the best ways to protect my energy is to be intentional with my time. I ask myself, is this helping me grow? Is this bringing me peace? If not, I let it go.
That's a great habit. For me, I practice gratitude every morning. I write down 3 things I'm thankful for. It shifts my focus from what's missing to what's already good. That's how I protect my energy, by feeding my mind with appreciation instead of anxiety.
That's so beautiful. And it's also an amazing way for English learners to practice daily journaling in English. Writing your thoughts, goals, and gratitude in English helps improve your vocabulary while healing your mind.
Exactly. You're growing your language and your mindset at the same time. And that's what English Talk Time is all about. Learning English through real, meaningful conversations.
That's so true. And I want to remind everyone listening right now, protecting your energy is not a one-time thing. It's a daily practice. It means being careful about what you read, what you watch, who you listen to, and how you speak to yourself.
Yes, and especially how you speak to yourself. The most powerful voice you hear every day is your own, so speak kindly to yourself. Encourage yourself like you would encourage a friend. That's how you build inner strength.
I love that, Mike, because at the end of the day, protecting your energy means protecting your peace, your purpose, and your potential. When you stop giving your energy to distractions, you finally have space to focus on your dreams.
Exactly. And once you do that, you stop living for approval and start living with intention. You stop chasing validation and start chasing meaning. That's when your life begins to change.
Beautifully said, Mike. So, for everyone listening right now, take this as your reminder today. Your energy is sacred. Don't waste it on fear, gossip, or negativity. Use it to create something amazing.
I love that. So, wherever you are, whether you're studying, working, or chasing a goal, remember to protect your energy, stay focused, and keep moving forward. You are in control of your own power.
That's right. And you deserve peace, happiness, and clarity. Protect your energy, protect your dreams, and protect your heart. Because when your energy is strong, everything else starts to flow.
Perfectly said, Ellie. I think that's a wonderful place to end today's episode.
Thank you, Mike. And thank you to everyone for tuning in to English Talk Time. If today's conversation inspired you, don't forget to share it with a friend who might need this message.
And remember, learning English isn't just about words, it's about growing your mindset. So protect your energy, and we'll see you again next time.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and stay powerful. Bye, everyone.